Hello, my name is Joe Lesher, Account Manager with Regenerative Biologics. I would like to invite you to join me as we explore the 411 on the 7 basics of Amnion medical treatments. Let's begin. Number 1. What is Amnion and where does it come from? Amnion comes from the amniotic membrane, an avascular and translucent thin membrane forming a closed sac that surrounds the fetus and contains amniotic fluid, which is a protective cushion of liquid that surrounds the fetus and facilitates the exchange of nutrients, water, and biochemicals between mother and child. Amnion is anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, anti-angiogenic. It is the building blocks for tissue regeneration that lend itself to wound healing and tissue repair. It truly is a gift from nature. There are between 80 and 120 growth factors in Amnion. Growth factors do just that. They help the baby grow strong and healthy. Growth factors are proteins that not only have a positive effect on bone and tissue by stimulating cellular growth, but they also help in proliferation, healing, and so much more. A few of the most powerful growth factors found in Amnion are basic fibroblasts, signaling proteins that assist in cell growth and tissue repair, along with keratinocyte growth factors involved in skin repair by recruiting special cells to form the epithelial layer of healing wounds. Platelet-derived growth factors help in tissue remodeling and is necessary for cellular division of special cells called fibroblasts that aid in wound healing. Hyaluronic acid acts as a cushion and/or lubrication in the joints and other tissues of the body. Think of it as like the body's own motor oil. Collagen is made up of key structural proteins that ensure the cohesion, elasticity, and regeneration of our connective tissues, including skin, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and bone. Cytokines are a large group of proteins and peptides of signaling molecules that mediate and regulate anti-inflammatory properties. Mesenchymal cells come from the umbilical cord tissue, or Wharton's jelly, and amniotic fluid. They can differentiate into other types of cells in the body, such as bone, cartilage, muscular, neurological, and skin. Number 2. How is amniotic tissue and fluid obtained? Amnion is obtained when the mother undergoes a healthy planned birth by cesarean section with no harm coming to the baby, at which point the mother is consented and compensated. The birth tissue and fluids are collected and then harvested in accordance with FDA guidelines. All tissue must meet the standards of the American Association of Tissue Banks, when it is then processed and sterilized by an FDA-approved lab. After it is tested to ensure that it is free from infectious diseases like HIV, hepatitis, and syphilis. Number 3. Different types of Amnion products. While there are numerous types of Amnion-derived products, let's focus on the 2 most common: liquid Amnion and the amniograft and discs. Both of these products are highly versatile with powerful healing properties. They are non-steroidal, easy and safe to handle, have a long storage or shelf life, and the dry grafts conveniently rehydrate within the wound site. Number 4. What are the benefits of Amnion products? Forget the Band-Aid treatments of the past. Regenerative medicine now combines repair with long-term relief. Amnion is what is known as a immunologically privileged material. This simply means it has a very low risk of infection or rejection, making it very safe. Amnion products offer a quicker and less painful recovery while offering a less expensive alternative to risky surgeries. Number 5. What are some of the medical uses of Amnion? Amnion-derived products are used in pain management, orthopedics, internal medicine, family practice, plastic surgery, neurology, podiatry, urology, gynecology, neurosurgery, and much, much more. Amnion is used for such common treatments as all types of arthritis, sports injuries, overuse injuries, such as rotator cuffs, Achilles tendons, joints, elbows, and knees, all types of wound care, acute or chronic, cartilage defects, meniscus tears, ligaments, and tendons. It also helps with difficult wounds, such as dry eye and chemical burns, and diabetic foot ulcers. Number 6. How is Amnion seen by FDA and insurance? Human amniotic tissue is regulated and approved by the FDA as a biologic, not as a drug. While amniotic products contain an impressive array of regenerative elements, the FDA regulations do not allow live stem cells, dead tissue, or debris in any products, making it only the 3 R's: regenerative, repair, and relief. Now, when it comes to these products and Medicaid, Medicare, and insurance, there is one question that we get asked the most. Are amniotic products covered? Well, yes and no. Let me explain. The amniograph, yes, as long as it is deemed to be medically necessary, and it has to be used in assistance with wound healing for things like dry eye, chemical burns, and foot ulcers. Liquid amnion? No, not at this moment. However, the industry is catching up quickly. Currently, there are rumors that coverage on liquid amnion could change sometime in 2021. Number 7. Doing business with Revogen Biologics. At Revogen Biologics, we are committed to making living better through cutting-edge biologics by following time-tested, rigorous guidelines and delivering quality products and services to our physicians and patients is our number one goal. We also know the importance of relationships. In addition to providing high-quality products, we want to make sure that our clients have the most optimal experience throughout their interaction with Revogen Biologics. In conclusion, Amnion medical treatments are safe and effective with no steroids, offering the 3 R's: regenerative, repair, and relief. FDA approved, long-lasting results, less expensive than alternative to risky surgeries, and with numerous peer-reviewed studies showing over an 80% success rate. Bottom line is, it works. This has been the 411 on the 7 basics of Amnion medical treatments. My name is Joe Lesher, and I can be reached on my cellular at 970-691-5038. Or you can email me at www.joelesher@revogenbio.com. For additional product information, visit our website at www.rmmedicalsolutions.com. We also offer additional information in the form of news articles, peer-reviewed medical studies, product videos, and TED Talks. Gotta run.